The universe is filled with wonders. We have explored distant galaxies, peered deep inside atoms, and even begun to unravel the mysteries of our own biology. Today, we stand on the cusp of a new era of discovery, one driven by the power of biotechnology. This field is not merely about understanding life, it's about harnessing its very essence to solve our greatest challenges. Imagine a world without disease where food security is a given, and our planet thrives in harmony with our needs. This is the promise of biotechnology. It is a field with the potential to reshape our future in ways we are only beginning to imagine. From the smallest microbe to the complexities of the human genome, biotechnology unlocks the secrets of life, offering solutions to problems once thought insurmountable. It is a journey into the heart of what makes us human, and a testament to our ingenuity in using nature's tools to shape a better tomorrow. Biotechnology uses living organisms to create products or processes that benefit humanity. It's about harnessing nature for practical applications, using biology's tools to build a better future, from life-saving drugs to pest-resistant crops. Innovation at the molecular level. Insulin for diabetics is made using genetically modified bacteria. Biodegradable plastics from plants help the environment. Understanding living systems to improve lives and our planet. One of the most significant advancements in healthcare is the development of novel drugs and vaccines. Biotechnology has enabled us to produce these therapies more efficiently and affordably, making them accessible to more people around the world. Imagine a world where diseases like polio and measles are eradicated, and treatments for cancer are more effective and less debilitating. Healthcare expert. Biotechnology is also paving the way for personalized medicine, an approach that tailors treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. This means more precise diagnoses, more effective therapies, and fewer side effects. It's about moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to healthcare and embracing the complexity of individual patients. Regenerative medicine, another exciting frontier in biotechnology, holds the promise of repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs. Imagine a future where organ transplantation is no longer limited by donor availability, and spinal cord injuries can be healed, restoring mobility and hope. The most well-known gene editing tool is CRISPR-Cas9, a system that acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to cut and paste DNA sequences with unprecedented precision. This technology has the potential to revolutionize medicine, offering hope for curing inherited diseases that are currently considered incurable. Imagine a future where cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Huntington's disease are eradicated, not just treated. Healthcare expert gene editing offers the potential to correct the underlying genetic defects that cause these diseases, providing a permanent cure.
Section 5. Personalized medicine. Tailoring treatments for you. Personalized medicine, also known as precision medicine, is a revolutionary approach to healthcare that tailors treatment to an individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors. This means moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach and embracing the complexity of individual patients. By analyzing a person's DNA, doctors can identify genetic variations that may influence their risk of developing certain diseases or their response to specific medications. This information can be used to develop personalized prevention strategies and treatment plans that are more likely to be effective. Imagine receiving a medication that is tailored to your specific genetic makeup, maximizing its effectiveness while minimizing the risk of side effects. Personalized medicine is about making healthcare more precise, predictive, and preventive. This approach has the potential to revolutionize how we treat a wide range of diseases, from cancer to heart disease to Alzheimer's. It's about using the power of genomics to improve patient outcomes and enhance the quality of care.
Section 6. Regenerative therapies rebuilding our bodies. Regenerative medicine is a groundbreaking field that harnesses the body's natural healing abilities to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs. This revolutionary approach holds immense promise for treating a wide range of conditions, from traumatic injuries to chronic diseases.
One of the most exciting areas of regenerative medicine is stem cell therapy. Stem cells are unique cells that have the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types in the body. This makes them a valuable tool for repairing damaged tissues and organs. Imagine a future where spinal cord injuries can be healed, restoring mobility and hope. Regenerative medicine offers the potential to treat conditions that are currently considered incurable, improving the quality of life for millions of people worldwide. This field is still in its early stages, but it is rapidly advancing. As our understanding of stem cells and other regenerative therapies grows, so too does the potential for treating a wide range of diseases and injuries.
Section 7. Biotechnology on the farm. Cultivating a sustainable future. Biotechnology is transforming food production. From GM crops to biopesticides, it's creating a sustainable and abundant food supply.
GM crops resist pests, tolerate herbicides, and enhance nutrition. These innovations lead to higher yields and reduced pesticide use. Biotechnology also aids in biofuels development, reducing fossil fuel reliance. Sustainable agriculture benefits from biotech, conserving resources.
Biotechnology is a powerful tool for addressing environmental challenges. From cleaning up pollution to developing sustainable materials, it offers innovative solutions for a healthier planet.
Bioremediation uses microorganisms to break down pollutants in soil and water, offering an effective and environmentally friendly cleanup method.
Imagine bacteria cleaning up oil spills, fungi breaking down pesticides, or plants absorbing heavy metals. Biotechnology also develops bio-based materials, sustainable alternatives to plastics.
Section 9. The economic powerhouse of biotechnology. Biotechnology is not just a scientific endeavor, it's also a rapidly growing industry with significant economic impact. This sector is creating jobs, driving innovation, and contributing to national economies worldwide. The biotechnology industry is a hotbed of research and development, attracting billions of dollars in investment and generating countless patents. This innovation leads to the creation of new products and therapies, driving economic growth and improving the quality of life for people around the world. The economic impact of biotechnology extends far beyond the industry itself. By improving healthcare outcomes, increasing agricultural productivity, and developing sustainable solutions, biotechnology contributes to overall economic well-being. Moreover, the biotechnology sector is a significant job creator, employing a highly skilled workforce in fields ranging from research and development to manufacturing and marketing. As the industry continues to grow, so too will its impact on the global economy.
Section 10. Ethical Considerations. Navigating the Moral Landscape. The rapid advancements in biotechnology raise important ethical considerations. As we delve deeper into the realms of gene editing, personalized medicine, and artificial intelligence, we must proceed with caution and responsibility.
One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the potential for unintended consequences. Altering the human germline, for example, could have unpredictable and irreversible effects on future generations. It is crucial that we carefully consider the long-term implications of our actions before embarking on such uncharted territory.
Another concern is the potential for exacerbating existing social inequalities. Access to expensive gene therapies and personalized medicine could further widen the gap between the haves and have-nots, creating a world where the wealthy can essentially buy genetic advantages.
Privacy is another crucial consideration in the age of biotechnology. As we gather vast amounts of genetic data, we must ensure that this information is protected from misuse and discrimination. The ethical use of biotechnology requires careful consideration of privacy rights and data security.
Section 11. A future shaped by biotechnology. As we venture further into the 21st century, biotechnology stands as a beacon of hope and progress. This transformative field holds the key to solving some of the world's most pressing challenges, from eradicating diseases to feeding a growing population and protecting our planet.
Imagine a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence, where genetic diseases are a relic of the past, and where sustainable agriculture nourishes every corner of the globe. Biotechnology offers the tantalizing possibility of a future where humanity thrives in harmony with nature.
However, realizing the full potential of biotechnology requires not only scientific breakthroughs, but also ethical responsibility and global cooperation. We must ensure that these powerful tools are used wisely and equitably for the benefit of all humankind.
The future shaped by biotechnology is a future filled with both promise and peril. By embracing the power of biology while navigating its ethical complexities, we can create a brighter and more sustainable world for generations to come.